Hey everybody, good morning. This is my first video in a very long time. Um, I want to call it basically break even, but we did take a loss on, um, what is this called? Um, Top Step, and then we're in a long right now on Alpha Futures. Now honestly, when it comes to targets, like I would love to do something like this, but this would be pretty, I'm trying to measure it. Be pretty aggressive, I think. We're gonna see, how we go, how we do. But I don't know if I want to take this on Top Step. But so I'm kind of bullish. I mean, we tapped into this. Got a lot of sell side. When it comes to continuing to short, I wouldn't really target anything till down here, which I don't think we're gonna. Like, I don't really expect us to flip this needle gap and go lower. Actually, we could. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah. Be completely honest, chat. I took the same trade on Top Step, just with a little bit worse of an entry because I entered on this first, which was honestly a mistake. But I entered with something a little bit higher, and I was down a lot. I entered with I think two contracts, and I saw the P&L, and I saw how much I was risking, and I was not comfortable with it because I went in a little bit too heavy. Because I took the same trade of practice, and I entered like on practice first, and then I'm like, wait, I actually cut like this. So then I entered on this, and then I entered on the other one, and by the time I did, the entry was like a lot, and I only really wanted to enter with a couple, like one or two contracts, but I entered with three, and the risk was too much, so I closed it. And of course, it's going up. What are you gonna do? That's just how life goes. Should I down on this? 300. When it comes to TPs, I don't really see anything I would necessarily take profit from until we get to some off there. Well, we're definitely taking one off here at this 5 minute PPR. We could also probably take one off here. We get up, if we end up going this way. Let me see on the 1 minute. Yeah, this is not bad on the 1 minute. I don't mind taking profit there. 5 minute gap there, and then this hourly high if that happens. So we'll see. I'm gonna come back whenever this trade's over. A good break even point would be like I'm risking almost 50 points here. Like it was too much on top step. Here's a 1-to-1. A 1-to-1 is a yeah. Yeah, what we could do is if and when inverse these gaps, we could go break even. So that'll be at my break even. So I'll come back whenever. I don't give a shit about practice, but we did take a little loss on these. So I entered with three contracts because I entered with what I did on practice, and then um, it was the risk was too much, so I closed there. But we'll let this go. So I will see you guys when that trade's over. Oh, my webcam is big. I didn't know it was gonna be that big. So I was blocking stuff. We lost 50 here, and then we're currently down not 100-ish, basically on alpha. But I will see you guys when the trade is over. But I do. All right, I'm gonna see you guys when this trade's over. I'm not gonna trade Top Step again today, though. It'll just be Alpha Futures, and we'll see how this trade goes. Actually, I'll probably stopped out. Actually, maybe not. But I was holding this for a long time. Um, and as more and more time progresses, we actually do have an SMT as well. So I do kind of want to get out, either for a break even or I'll take a 193 loss. Let's roll. But I wish I could just fast forward so something could happen. You know? So you don't care, you don't care what happens, but I just want whatever to happen to happen. Just fucking stop me out or go back to them. Doesn't fucking matter. I thought I was about to get it. I thought I was about to get stopped out. We're gonna sit here until it does something. But I will say, once we get a candle closure above my entry, I'm gonna go break even. I'm gonna what if it happens. Maybe it'll happen in the next minute, which is why I'm sitting here waiting for it. Shit. I did a good job holding it for a long time. Where's break even? Right there. Does it close like this? Let's see. If it closes like this, I'm gonna get break even no matter what. It would be good for the sake of the trade if we get it closed above here, but that's not gonna happen. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We're gonna get out because I'm fine with a $30 loss. I'm still in it on practice, and I'm actually up, which is funny. But let's put my entry here. I think my entry was there on this. Oh, 88. This is 088. Yeah. So my entry is basically right here. So let's see what ends up happening, but I just don't want to sit in it first. So this is just for my own amusement to see what happens. I'm gonna get this video uploaded right now because I'm done trading the rest of the day. I'm not trading the sessions. You know, because since 9:30 open, we expanded almost a percent. I'm not expecting this to go in. Or I'm not expecting us to take this high. I'm expecting us to stay within this range. So because of that, we're gonna couldn't break even now. See if I would have been break even stopped. If it goes down a couple more points, it would be. Yeah, that would have been a break even stop. Stop. Damn. No, I'm still in it on here. Like I was holding it for this chop. Like look at this chop. That's insane. Let's see what happens just for my own amusement. But I will see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna trade every day this week. That's the plan. I would like to. Tuesday we don't have any news. But Friday we still have NFP as of now. That might change. Thursday we also had red folding news, but I guess we don't. Wednesday we did. Tuesday we don't. We had red folding news every day this week. But because the government was shut down. Got rid of it. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. So we are at. I mean, mentally, I'm like it's break even, but it's still 150 bucks loss, which is not break even. So I didn't think did that bad today. Like, overall, my bias was bullish, and I did not expect us to sell off like this. Like we had Asia London low, which was right here, which I doesn't look like top to. Oh, we did, just barely. But I didn't expect us to take this leg on the south side. I really did not. I wasn't expecting longs all the way up to all-time highs, but towards these kind of like smooth highs over here, I was expecting this, but it didn't happen. So I will see you guys whenever I take a trade, but I'm gonna try and take one tomorrow, but we'll see. I gotta be more open-minded to shorts or longs, not be so managed. Because honestly, I know a couple of people who took shorts here. It was pretty early though. Yeah, it's only a couple minutes. Like I don't know how we're taking them. Mm. Shorts here down to what would have been London low. How many points is that? If you enter at around here, 7 points. Then again, well, you can enter. I don't know. I'm gonna see you guys. I really wasn't expecting us to short like we did, so whatever. I'm not mad at my performance. I actually am. You know, I closed this trade. So I originally entered with too big of a size. And if I left it, it would have been green. But that's kind of it. All right, I'm gonna see you guys later. I'll see you guys whenever I take another trade, which will be maybe tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. Should I go back testing stream today? Maybe. I'll see you guys later.